All right, in this video, I'll be teaching you how you can install Terraform sharp sharp, then move it to your VS Code. Come to Google, type download Terraform, click on this first link, first whatever, then go to Windows, AMD64, click on download. Go to download and it has been downloaded. So now let's go to our download directory and it said then we extract. We have extractor here. So let me use this option, extract. Now I want to change the directory. So I want to click on browse, then go to this laptop. I want to make sure it's in my C, it's here, then yes, extract, select folder, and I want to give it a name. I'll give it, let's just say Terraform. Then I click on extract. Now it's here. This is the application file here now. So now what we want to do is, let me check something. This then just need the, okay, now it's here. So what we want to do now is to come to search and search for environmental. This, just search for environmental variables. Now click on environment variables, then scroll down where I'm looking for path. So I click on edit. Now I click on new, then I'm supposed to copy it. Let me go back. Where is it? Terraform. Then I click into this and now copy this, copy. Let me do what I did again. I open the file. It's in my, I've put it in my local disk C. Then here is it, Terraform. I click on it. Then here is the part. I just click like I want to click on. I just click on, Terraform. I just move my mouse outside. I click on this. It did it by itself. Then I just copy this, copy. Then I go back to my, okay, click on new. Then I paste it here and I click on OK. And I click on OK. I click on OK. Now, what we want to do is to go to type CMD, command prompt. Then we need to be sure that yes, this is working. Then we now type Terraform space IV V. Now our Terraform is there. This is it, Terraform. This is it. V1.9.6. Let's go to our download to compare to be sure. See 1.9.6. Now our Terraform is ready. Then we go to our VS Code. Then let's sharply create. Should I do that in this video? Should I do that in this video? Let me just go to documents, then create new folder. I will name it. Let's just say test. Okay, test. Now let me go back to my VS Code. Go to, I like to do my drag and drop. Up to now, I still prefer to do drag and drop. Then just drop my test here. Okay. Okay, I'm in extension. I need to do that again. And either ways, I can still come to open file, then go to documents, open folder. I mean, open folder, go to documents. This is my documents. Yes, tests, select folder. Now we have test here. Yes, we have test here. Now I will come here and I would type. Okay, before we do that, let's sharply install extension. Now we are going to type Terraform. We're going to type Terraform. Then we install this 4.3 million. We install that. Then Azure Terraform. Okay, here is it. Azure Terraform. We install that as well. Now all these are installing. Let's give it some time. Let me pause this video. Azure Terraform autocomplete. We install that. Now I'm going to disable this. This is for AWS, and for now we are still learning Azure. All right, now Terraform Azure autocomplete. Okay, click on this, then we install everything we are installing. It's actually showing here. See, Azure is here. This the second one, and this is the third thing that we install. So after that, click on here. We are back here. Then we click on this. Then we type main dot cl. Now we are here. All right. So everything is ready and set. This is the sharp fast. This is faster way to install what's it called Terraform. Gracias.